What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every man wonders at some point. How do you get a woman to think about you constantly, without being needy, clingy, or doing anything cringe? Most guys try harder. The men who stand out do things differently. This is going to be a real breakdown from a man's point of view about what actually creates mental attraction, not just physical attraction. Physical gets her attention, but emotional and psychological presence is what keeps her thinking about you long after you're gone. So let's get into it. First thing, understand what makes a woman think about you. A woman thinks about a man non-stop when he becomes rare, unpredictable in a good way, emotionally impactful, and not overly available. This has nothing to do with pretending, acting distant, or playing harsh games. It simply means becoming a man with a full life, clear direction, and strong presence. When a woman can't immediately figure you out, she naturally invests more mental energy into you. Your goal isn't to overwhelm her with constant attention. Your goal is to create moments that spark curiosity, emotion, and anticipation. Let's break down how to do that. Second thing, don't be predictable. Predictability kills attraction more than almost anything else. If she knows exactly when you'll text, what you'll say, what your day looks like, and how you'll react, then there is nothing for her mind to hold on to. Women think about the men who give them something to wonder about. Here's what healthy masculine unpredictability looks like. First, stop texting on a schedule. If you always send the same good morning or good night messages, don't make them automatic anymore. Say them sometimes, but not every time. Let her notice the change. Let her feel the space, because that space is where thinking happens. Second, don't reply instantly every time. You don't need to disappear, but don't be glued to your phone. Live your life. Let your responses show that you're a man with priorities and direction. When she finally sees your name pop up after a little time has passed, she feels a small spark of excitement, and that spark is exactly what we want. Third thing, add mystery without acting sketchy. Mystery is not about being shady or making her feel insecure. It's simply about not broadcasting every detail of your life. A man becomes more attractive when a woman can't fully read him. Here's how to create healthy mystery. Don't post every meal, every outing, or every gym session. Don't announce your plans all day long, and don't explain where you are every moment of the day. Give her just enough to know that you're doing well, but not enough for her to predict your every move. Women naturally fill in the blanks with curiosity. You want her wondering, what is he doing right now? Not because you're hiding something, but because you're a man with motion, purpose, and direction. Here's a simple pro tip. Occasionally take a full day before texting her back. Then send something calm and straightforward, like, "Today was a lot, finally shutting down. Hope your day went well." Short, direct, steady. This shows that your life has structure, responsibility, and momentum, and you're not orbiting around her. That is powerful. Fourth thing, reappear on your terms, but don't vanish for too long. Some dating advice tells men to disappear for 3 to 5 days, but let's be honest. If she's attractive and has options, disappearing like that doesn't make you mysterious. It makes you look unreliable. You don't need to ghost her. You just need to be selectively available. The goal is simple. Show up naturally, on your timeline, not hers. Maybe one day you're talkative. The next day, you're buried in work or focused on your own priorities. That is normal male energy. You're not playing games, you're just living your life. After a couple of quieter days, she naturally starts to wonder, what's he been doing lately? Why isn't he replying right away? Is he focused on something else? Did something change? You don't have to say a word to create attraction. Your actions alone generate curiosity. Most men make themselves too available. You stand out by being balanced, not distant and not clingy, but centered in your own world. Fifth thing, when you reconnect, be present, but don't overshare. When the conversation picks back up, don't jump into long explanations about your personal life. That destroys mystery. Instead, keep the focus on her. Ask how she's doing. Ask what she's been working on. Ask about something funny or interesting that happened to her recently. Then, when she asks about you, give short and simple answers. You're not hiding anything. You're just not unloading every detail onto the table. A man who doesn't over-explain himself is extremely attractive. It signals confidence, it signals emotional control, and it signals leadership. Sixth thing, make plans, but not immediately. After you've been a bit busy and the conversation starts flowing again, you want to re-establish physical presence. But don't invite her out right away. Give it a little time. Let the tension build. Then you can say something like, I'm booked the next couple days, but Friday evening I'm free if you want to grab a drink. Notice what this communicates. You're not asking for permission. You're not begging for her time. You're simply stating your availability like a man with direction and purpose. Women respect that energy. Spacing out the time before seeing her again gives her room to miss you, and missing you is what makes her think about you. Seventh thing, keep texting simple and purposeful. Your messages should be short, direct, confident, and aimed toward eventually meeting in person. Don't fall into the texting body trap. Texting is not where attraction grows. It only maintains the connection until you see her face to face. If you text too much, there's nothing left for her to look forward to. But if every message from you feels meaningful and intentional, she will start paying attention. She'll notice the timing. She'll analyze your words. She'll think about you in between conversations. That's exactly what we want. 8. If she doesn't reciprocate, move on. This part is important. If she's not responding, not engaging, and not putting in any effort, then she's simply not interested. A woman thinking about you non-stop requires mutual chemistry. If she isn't showing any desire at all, don't waste your time trying to force something that isn't there. A real masculine man chooses himself first. If you follow these principles, being unpredictable, maintaining mystery, showing that you have a real life, texting with purpose, creating anticipation, and respecting yourself, she will think about you a lot. Not because you forced anything, but because you moved like a man who knows his worth. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with what topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.